here.
Like everybody's fucking rolling past here because we gotta fucking move.
Yeah.
Alright, this bridge is gonna be fucking crazy then. You know
Yep.
there's gonna be a shitload of people here.
Fuck.
Yep,
Ahead of us,
I
look,
can
see those?
already hear
Three
it.
cars.
Oh, they're
Yeah.
right in front of us.
They're right. Yeah, hold on. Do you want to take shots from this rock? Wait, don't go in the open. Get in the rock. Get behind the. Oh shit.
No, we're good. Just shoot them. Shoot them as we go by. Drive by.
Oh my god, it's so intense! Oh, hit!
Oh, get out! I think they shot out a wheel. Yeah, they did. Our back, right? We're like drifting. I'm like, why is the car?
They're shooting at us now.
I'm like, why is the car pulling to the right?
Get fucking wrecked.
It's a long walk, faggots.
Did you shoot out their tires?
I think so.
Somebody did, yeah.
I hit one guy for sure. I saw the blood.
We don't have
fucking
enough
great.
gas to make it.
Josh has a gas can.
I have a gas can. Yeah.
I mean, this is like the worst place to
I know,
refill,
let's
but
refuel. I'm gonna refuel over here.
Yeah,
it's gonna start rolling down the hill.
Just do it right now. No, we're not at the gas yet. Do you
I
need
don't know
to be in the
how to
driver's
use
seat?
it. Oh wait. I gotta be in the car using it. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah.
Oh my god, we go.
Nice.
We have no traction because we have a back brake wheel. Oh my god.
Oh fuck.
Get out! It's falling.
Get in.
Okay.
I needed to just turn the car. Wait, what the fuck is going?
I thought we were going over that.
It won't drive anymore.
We don't have a wheel, dude. We don't have a fucking
I know,
wheel.
but we didn't have a
Well,
wheel
the wheel's
before. It
done.
was still good.
I don't know.
Oh, there we go. What the fuck is going on? The wheel.
So that's what happened, eh?
The
That's
back
what
wheel
happened.
needs traction. That's why.
Oh,
Shit!
Oh fuck.
They're in front of us.
It's
They're in
ahead,
front of us.
ahead.
I'm swerving. Right there. Roll up on him.
I'm down.
Take him out.
Josh, get him.
Josh!
Get him.
Get him. Oh my god. How?
How did he take
How?
that? How did he take all
Josh, you fucking suck.